Okay, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Some of it's on a blacker base, some of it's a little bit of crystal, some of it's multicoloured. Still got a little bit of the clay attached to some of the stones. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted to help bring out the colour a little bit more for you. Pick up a few of the bits, show you. Pieces haven't got a lot, but are quite bright. Crystal. There's a pretty little multicoloured piece. Oops, sorry, off the screen. See, there's some nice bright pieces amongst that. Anyway, I think that's given you an idea of what you can expect for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers!